provides illumination for visibility and convenience. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. AC Delco GM original equipment multi-purpose light bulbs provide illumination for a variety of purposes and locations in your vehicle, depending on vehicle application, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. These multi-purpose bulbs are commonly incandescent filament bulbs and come in a variety of shapes and base styles. These original equipment light bulbs have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect OEM replacement for a 2014 Chevy Silverado. Your local auto store will not have this bulb for a 2014 Chevy Silverado taillight. They will try to sell you a 7443 or 7444 style bulb. They will not work, or only work for brakes but no turn signal etc. This bulb says Toshiba on it but is sold in an AC Delco box. There is a fifth vertical post in the filaments that will not be on any local auto store bulb.